for the unique industries that we serve and for the global community at large. I think what's special about WonderBotz is a testament to what we won today, our work in the community. And leadership is committed to not only our talent that we hire, but I'd like to say that we're a bit of a MVP creation factory.
Absolutely.
We not only hire, retain, and really energize our talent, but we're also very committed to giving them voices on social media, turning them into thought leaders, having their voices and the experience that they have be transmitted to clients that are trying to do the same thing. So I've really enjoyed and supported our two CEOs have just been really, really fundamental in getting the message across, allowing us to use every single platform possible. We're all over the media in that sense, but really it's about being able to share that message, have the value out there, and it's a really big impact that we're proud to get this award for.
And it's the people, and we build their skills by coaching and mentoring each other, but doing the training and the certifications and all the processes. Actually, at one point, it's a little known fact, it was early in your program, but we had 25% of the UiPath certified developers in the world at one point. This was a few years ago, and I granted your program has grown somewhat since then, but at one point we had that bragging right, maybe for a few weeks.
And I think this has helped the broader industry. I think it's not just about WonderBotz or the clients we serve. I think it's a broader UiPath and a broader hyperautomation community. I think some of the things what we are doing has got a really positive impact across the industry, across the globe, and I think it's really to the testament to the award what we received. So.
And one last thing I'd like to add about that, actually, since we all love facts here. In the last year, as we were gearing up to prepare for, applying for this award, between the team, we spoke in 16 different cities around the world, representing 4 different continents and a bunch of countries, where we talked about automation and the importance of it. So we really believe what we say, we practice what we preach, and I think that's something that makes us special too. No matter what, the integrity behind us getting it done is something that we truly believe in.
And we want to just give a shout out to Vivek Goel, the head of our India operation, who through some immigration timing could not get to this forward event. We're thinking of you, and we'll make sure that we get the trophies out to our office there.
And all the MVPs, we have Nisarg, we have got Parth, we have got Gil, again, the broader community. Go on. I think that's right.
That's exactly right. It's a team effort. So this is representing the entire WonderBotz family. So thank you so much.